Hello kids, welcome to StoryPad. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we got an interesting book called Thomas and Friends, Engines to Rescue. This book has got the special thing which is a magnet book. So we gotta have a magnet trains, so which we are going to stick as we read along the story. Are you guys ready to this little activity along with me? Hope you will help me, guys. Let's begin. Engines to the rescue. Sodor search and rescue. Wakey wakey, it's the morning at the Sodor search and rescue center. Send the vehicles out of the shed. They need to be ready to be really useful today, the fat man said. So where are all the vehicles are? In the shed. So let's get the vehicles out. So we got lots of vehicles standing up here. So here we go. So one is truck, Sodor truck. We got a little boat. And steam train, another steam train. This one is a crane lifter train. And we got Thomas here. Another train. This is a fire engine train, fire rescue train. This is another one. So we got the squad. So now let's sort and rescue the machines. Let's close the shed. Here we go. Down at Brendam docks, there are lots of heavy crates to load. Cranky needs your help finding engines for this big job. So who are the big finding engines we need? So big engines we can think of here is probably this train, and gonna get Thomas over here. We sorted finally, so the work can go smooth at Brendam docks. Now we got another machine and we need to do a rescue, which is hurry, the fat controller's shed is on fire. So it's a fire rescue. Can you add Flynn, the fire engine, and the rescue team? Yes, of course. We need to save the shed, which is on fire. Here comes the Flynn, the fire engine, and we need to give another rescue team so that it can be helpful. So the rescue team can go now, I think. Here we go. We can look after the more help if required. So now let's see what we got here. Ooh. All the engines have worked really hard and now they are off to beach. Add Thomas and his friends so they can enjoy this beautiful day. Yes, of course. So I think Thomas wants to add all his friends. Now the boat can go into the sea. Can get the biggest crane machine over here. The truck can go on the road. This one is another one, friend of Thomas. Another Thomas friend. Let's get the Thomas. Where is he? Oh, he's over here. Right. Come on, Thomas, so you can have a good fun day at the beach. Right, seems to be his friends over here having a really sunny beach day. How was the activity? You guys liked it? hope so. It's really good fun. I hope you like this little activity from Thomas and Friends rescuing the machines, rescuing Jin. Did you like it, Violet? Yes, I did. I wish I could play more, some more missions to rescue. Yeah, we'll find some more books coming up. And thanks for watching and listening. I hope you like this interactive story, and thanks for helping me to make the rescue successful. And yeah, I hope you will do the same thing. If you have got the Thomas and Friends, try to play around. And I'll see you in the next video with new story. Bye.